Welcome back to our channel. Before upgrading Trellix EPO, it is critical to prepare your environment. The most important step is taking a full backup of your EPO database and the installation directory. In this video, we will walk through how to do it step by step. Upgrades sometimes may fail due to environment issues, misconfigurations, or power interruptions. Without a backup, a failed upgrade could corrupt your database or break your installation. But with a backup, you can roll back and restore your EPO server quickly without losing critical security data. So let's start with the SQL database backup. Let's open SQL Server Management Studio and let's connect to our SQL instance. Expand Databases and right-click on the EPO database. Select Tasks and hit Backup. We have to choose the backup type as Full Backup. You can configure your own destination path for storing the backup file. In my case, I'm storing the backup file in C Trellix EPO backup folder. I'll click on OK and my EPO database backup is completed successfully. You can now see the .back file is created under C Trellix EPO backup folder. This verifies that the backup is completed. Next, we will back up the entire EPO installation directory. To do this, we will navigate to the EPO install directory, which is the program files x86 Trellix ePolicy Orchestrator. This is a folder where all your files and folders for Trellix EPO installation are present. There are certain folders which we need to back up now. They are conf, keystore, and extensions folder. So let's copy them and paste it to the C Trellix EPO backup folder, which holds your EPO DB backup. Paste the three folders which I had copied. Let the copy operation go on. I'll go back to the Trellix EPO install directory, copy a few more folders which are necessary for the backup. So let's go to the Trellix EPO folder. And now we have to back up folders under DB directory. So the folders which needs to be backed up in this DB directory are software and keystore. Copy these folders, go back to the Trellix EPO backup folder. Let me create a folder called DB. Paste the folders which were copied from the DB directory. I'll go back to the Trellix EPO installation directory. We have to copy one final folder under Apache 2 directory, which is conf folder. Let me copy this folder. Go back to the Trellix EPO backup folder under C directory. Let me create a new folder called Apache 2 and then paste the conf folder which I had copied from the Apache 2 directory. Now the copy operations are completed. This folder contains extensions, configuration files, and certificates. Together with the SQL database backup, this ensures a complete recovery path. And that's how you prepare for an EPO upgrade, by backing up both the SQL database and the EPO installation directory. With backups in place, you can upgrade confidently knowing that you have a recovery plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the playlist for the full learning journey.